Hi, today I'll show you how an app called Edge Blocker works. This lightweight application aims to block the new Edge browser, preventing users from accessing it on a Windows 11 computer. Considering that Edge is deeply integrated into your Windows 11 PC, I recommend you create a system restore point before using Edge Blocker, just to be safe. No installation is required and the intuitive interface appears as soon as you double-click the installer. There are only two buttons in the main window, so using it is as simple as possible. If you want to lock Edge, press Lock and you will notice that the logo color turns red. Alternatively, if you want it back on your PC, simply press Unlock and the color will return to blue. Of course, you could tamper with internet protocols to change the default browser with which web pages will be opened. But that doesn't mean Edge won't be available for use. Additionally, previous Windows 11 updates released by Microsoft restore default applications, so you may be surprised to see that Edge is the default browser again if updates are set to automatic. That's why Edge Blocker might be a better alternative to restrict access to the new Microsoft browser. If you prefer to stick to a specific web browser or just don't like Edge, Edge Blocker is worth a try. With its help, if the OS or any other program tries to run Edge, it will be automatically blocked. Note that I recommend double-checking the list of default apps, as some actions may be limited even if Edge was your default browser before using Edge Blocker. See you next video.